One break such a
I
hot man. South had a skip on a crazy. South half was entirely me and
I don't know what you're talking about. All right, here we go. A Griddle Nation inspiration, delicious, cheesy, wonderful breakfast sandwich.
Sense of humor? Oh, I stopped at cheesy.
I see what you did there. Hey guys, welcome to the set. My name is CJ. Right over there is Ethan. Right over there is Nate.
Well.
And right over there is none of your business. Strike that. Reverse it.
This way, please.
So glad that you guys are here. Today I've got a Griddle Nation inspiration for you guys. We're doing Smoke Stone Cuisine's awesome breakfast grilled cheese. I'm gonna kind of take some liberties.
Grilled cheese.
I'm gonna take some liberties.
Okay.
We're gonna have some fun. Okay. It's gonna be tasty. You wanna hang out. Also, it's feeling good to have the set somewhat together.
Is that blasphemous?
Yes. Yep.
Okay.
Coffee. So the first thing that we got to do is get our bacon and sausage cooking. So I've got some sausage links here. I don't always love sausage links. For some reason it reminds me of IHOP, but not in a good way.
Or you're Wang! Pay attention.
Okay. I don't know why, but it doesn't remind me of like good times at IHOP, although I love IHOP.
Reminds me of like tiny times.
Tiny times at IHOP. So we've got some of these.
Willie. Yeah. What's that?
We got our sausage down and cooking. We've also got some thick cut bacon. Let's get that cruising. I've got some dirty hands. Let me go wash those off and I will get back to the set. All right then. All right, now we've got some sourdough bread. You know what? Before we get going, I want to make sure that we introduce Ryan. So back up, back up. Oh. There you go. Smoke Stone Cuisine. Our boy Ryan, who's part of Griddle Crew, might I add.
He's fantastic.
He crushed this.
So
I had
great.
never thought about doing a breakfast grilled cheese. So Ryan, where'd you get the inspiration for that?
Hey CJ, funny story actually. And I'm not at all ashamed to admit this, but this was a way to get my son to eat sausage and eggs. And he loves grilled cheese, and so I convinced him to try a breakfast grilled cheese. And the other thing is that I'm never going to shy away from an excuse to do a cheese pull video. And so like the breakfast grilled cheese was just a perfect way to do that.
Genius, genius, genius! One more thing. The heel.
The butt.
The butt.
Get out of here.
Nah, dude.
Don't.
You use it in that. You leave it in there as the butt so that the rest of the bread stays good.
Ethan, you're not nearly as dumb as I thought you were.
Woohoo! I'm a college man. I won't need my high school diploma anymore.
So today we're making 3 sandwiches. Now a pro move here is to get your butt out of the way.
That's a pretty big butt.
So I'm gonna be cooking this in some, actually, you know what? I don't want to get too much of the bacon burnt nibs, but I do want to bring back some of that bacon fat. I love gold! I've got some unsalted butter here.
You guys know that trick, right? The smoking point, like butter will burn, but if you put oil or bacon fat with the butter, it increases the smoke point.
So you can get a toastier, more
Wow.
delicious and delightful.
A lot of butter.
So today we're going to be doing, like I said, 3 sandwiches, but pro move, we're going to be toasting both sides.
An unsalted butter.
An unsalted butter, yes. All right, so we've been working hard.
Have we?
Nah. But I do feel the need to partake of the sweet nectar. Yummy.
Huh?
Huh?
What?
All right, our bread is cruising here. It's nice and perfect and toasty. Now, I think you could also take some liberties on what kind of bread that you use. His recipe, I believe, said just white toast.
Oh, there's nothing wrong with white bread.
No.
Grilled cheese.
Absolutely not. In fact, Ryan, what kind of bread did you use? Also, what cheese did you? No, I know what cheese you use.
And we don't do cheese.
Colby Jack, but what kind of bread?
Come on, I can't believe you guys would doubt me. I did use white bread, but I brushed the bread with an egg wash to make it more like a French toast.
Now we're toasted on one side. It's time to keep scooting. This is not.
What are you doing with the garbage over there?
I've got eggs, and I've got
dots in.
We've got dots in here. Nobody cares.
Nice hat. Are you trying to look like a secret agent?
No. Oh, no, stay together.
Hey. Woo. Well, you're 0 for 2, bud. 2 out of 3 look bad.
Now don't be sad.
Okay, that was a good pivot.
I did it before.
Yeah, it was a good pivot.
Yeah, thanks.
I think that one needs an extra egg because it's tiny, because it stayed together.
Oh.
Dick,
Yeah.
take a look out of starboard.
Oh, shit. All right.
Nice.
This, my friends, the breakfast blend. Go to Lowe's, get you some. There we go. It's gonna be quite generous because we're not doing any salt and pepper. That's gonna be our love right there. I'm gonna do a little bit
I'm
of
a
the sweet
fan.
habanero Cholula.
I'm a sucker for original. I try not to go out
Divert.
outside. Yeah.
We fear change.
Dude, these are looking amazing. I'm gonna pull my toast here because we're not at the point where we want to start building just yet. Sorry,
Need a
guys.
hand here, guys?
Our eggs are gonna need a minute. I think we're gonna let those hang out.
Okay.
I'm gonna jump in the back seat.
Speaking of back seat, nice segue, CJ. Hey, did you know? Did you know that the backseat lovers actually formed like an hour away from where the Blackstone headquarters is?
No
Really?
Yeah.
Huh.
Ogden and
Nugget.
one of those other
Nugget.
names.
Yeah.
Not gonna work here anymore anyway.
Yeah, they're having a
Alright.
conversation in the back seat.
Yeah.
With his lover. All right, let's get these guys flipped over. Ethan, should I season the other side?
I don't care.
Let's do the other side with some of this the green Cholula.
Oh, mix it up. Okay.
Yeah, this is the green pepper. Ooh,
Green.
there's a lot of egg going on over here. I'm
A lot of
alright with
egg?
that. It's gonna be like hanging off the edge.
Okay.
So I'm on low over here. That's to note.
All right.
We're gonna come on over.
I
Set
like
this guy down.
multi-stage process you got going on here.
Andy, actually, would you help me get some of these
Is
cheeses
that
out?
of the Canadian origin?
This is
American variety?
Velveeta, a 3-cheese blend. And so it's going to be
How do you make a
wickedly-
3-cheese blend?
You just mix up 3 cheeses. Everybody knows that.
I am too smart. I am too smart. I am too smart.
All right, we're going to go down there.
Okay.
Then I'm going to need...
Decent amount of queso you got here, guy.
Yes.
Mucho.
Well, I mean, we've got a lot going on here.
Hey, is chili Spanish?
Stop it. You stop it. Wait.
Wait,
Here's what I'm going to do. Check this out,
I
dude.
knew it.
We're going to
Really?
Yeah.
I didn't know that. Whoa! What in the
Yeah, I know, dude.
what in the sausage links?
Exactly. Then we're going to do
Okay,
our egg.
those links
Right
are
there.
from Estonia.
Okay.
Hmm. Hmm.
No.
Hmm.
Okay. Then let's do one of these guys. I don't normally do the crisscross applesauce game over here, but I think this is
going
ideal.
to be a monstrosity. What's happening?
I need some Colby. Colby, sir.
How many you want?
I'm gonna need 2. Stat.
Okay, this guy needs coffee and crullers. Stat.
Yes, chef.
Ah, boy. Every second counts.
Behind.
There it is.
You didn't say corner.
That too.
Why?
Chef, I'm sorry it got too hot.
Why?
It didn't cool down.
Why?
But it was my fault.
Go.
All right, here we go.
I'm lost
Then, boom. We're gonna let this do its thing, and then let's do
What?
this. Let's do this. 3 sandwiches.
here. Why
There's
does it
4
need
of us
to
on
be
set.
so big? It's huge.
I know.
You know.
Nope.
Okay.
Why are we talking so much about?
Johnson. Yes, sir. Get on the horn to British intelligence and let them know about this.
So I'm gonna go ahead and flip these over. You gotta watch out for that toasting. Make sure your bread doesn't burn. But as I'm flipping, I'm kind of thinking I need to dome this. So I'm little pivot here. Don't add water. You don't want to steam this up because you don't want your bread to lose its crispy integrity. But my friends, the cheese is melted.
Are you sure? Are you sure? Oh.
Yes. Oh, dude, the bacon. It like.
Oh, it's getting extra crispy.
Yeah, it is. All right, let's get these guys off. Yeah, as I flip, you'll
Oh.
you'll see.
Hey there, little guy.
Hey, let's go. There ain't nothing little about this guy.
And the links on the inside. That's throwing me for a loop.
I've never seen it done.
Throwing me for a little loop-de-loop.
All right, okay.
Hey there, little guy. Oh gosh, that
I'm-
Canadian-born American cheese is just melting so nicely.
I'm gonna.
You guys know that story, right? Let me know in the comments down below. Canadians
Stacky.
invented American cheese.
Stacky.
Wow.
So this is gonna.
Bro.
We're gonna post dust, but should I do a little drizzle?
I don't know.
Maybe do I do anything?
What are you gonna drizzle?
I was gonna drizzle some Cholula, but
Good lord. I mean, what have you done?
Post dusting.
Gotta happen.
Gotta happen, because it's gonna get into the crevices, little nooks and crannies in the cracks of the bread.
All right.
And look at that, and the bacon.
Look at that.
Would you look at that?
Look at that.
Look at that.
Look at that.
Look at it.
Look at that.
Look at that.
And he only
would you look at that?
put that
Just look at that.
Girthy, gargantuan, beautiful.
like your
Heart.
A small heart grew 3 sizes that day.
Ryan, how did I do? I love what you did. I took yours as inspiration to make this.
Completely changed it.
I honestly I did. How did I do?
It looks great.
If I'm being honest, I'm still waiting for that cheese ball. But you nailed it. That's a big boy sandwich, and I'm impressed.
All right, let's get into this, guys. Should I cut so we can kind of see what's going?
There's some stuff going on inside.
Let's get crispy.
Yeah, that double toast, I'm a fan of that.
Yeah, me too.
Oh, whoa. What the?
Dude, it's even cooler than I thought it was gonna be. Okay,
It's like little coins.
yeah, we're also gonna do some more Cholula, but I'm gonna get my first taste in.
Show me that real quick.
Yes, I would love to.
Show me that.
Show me that. Show me
Okay.
that.
All right, this is like 8-year-old food.
What are you talking about?
Man down.
Oh,
We're good.
oh, that's there. There it goes. All right. Oh, dude, both sides toasted perfectly.
Love it. Winner?
Winner all day long. It's perfect as is. Do it just like this. If anything, you could add a little more Cholula.
Yeah.
Let it go. Ooh, there's a little back end heat. I just felt it. The lumberjack is also money. I didn't do any salt and pepper, just that lumberjack. Amazing. Let me know how I did in the comments. But speaking of comments, it's time.
You made it.
We are here. It's CJ's favorite comments.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's time for CJ's favorite comments of the week.
You made it, my friends. Welcome to CJ's favorite comments of the week. This is where I screenshot comments from you, the viewers.
True.
Because if you guys write it, that's right. And so we get to share it with everybody and have a little fun. Sometimes a little laugh.
Are they nice today?
A little tear too sometimes. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. You'll see.
You'll see.
This is from Angela Rapier.
Hey, Angela.
Angela says, another CJ winner with this one. Love how everything cooked down so beautifully. My compliments to the chef. Not you, Nate, but do love ya.
What did she really say in the comment?
She said exactly what I just
I
said.
think you retyped it.
You sure about that?
Yeah.
Angela, cheers to you.
I guess.
And I appreciate the chef compliments.
No.
This one comes in from Roxanne Fraser.
Oh.
Hey. You don't have to put on the red light. My mom says, your whiskey bacon jam smash burgers look so good, especially the bacon and onions. What will you think of next? Keep up the good cooking. You are my favorite son. Of all 3 of the children, Ryan is the least favorite. Miranda's extra special because of obvious reasons, but you're still the favorite, CJ. Oh, Mom, I love you.
What does she actually say, though?
She said all of that.
Yeah? Yeah?
Love you, Mom. Ooh, we got a couple more here. This next one comes in from John's 5111.
I know John's 5.
111. Says, yes, he is.
No, this is Emma.
Dude, great one.
Reassemble, Stephanie. Reassemble.
This one is says, while at work today, this is great. I stopped at McDonald's for lunch, pulled up this video to watch while I ate. This looks so good, I ended up throwing that trash away.
Wow.
And now I'm gonna make this for dinner. You guys rock. I love your content. I gotta get me one of those bells from my back deck. Yes, you
What was
do.
his name? That's Johnny 5?
Johnny
What a
5.
Great compliment.
5's alive.
Heck yeah.
I love it, my friend.
More input.
Okay, last but not least, we've got kind of an OG.
Uh-oh.
Comments all the time. This is from LX2NV.
Oh.
Yep.
Yeah.
He says, so I make positive comments every week, yet what a stupid video
Here it comes.
makes the cut. I see how it is.
Throw him under the
CJ, I
bus.
was going to send you a Huskular Hanks barbecue sticker and bottle of rub. Now you're pressing your luck. Come on.
You just wanted the Huskular stuff.
Come on.
You're only saying the comment now because you want free stuff.
Come on.
We know how it works.
Come on. I'm not turtly enough for the Turtle Club. If you guys didn't notice, over the last few weeks, my set has been very not CJ's first cooking show.
So
it is now.
This is not
It is.
Wednesday, isn't it?
Only that's not Wayne's basement. Yes, indeed it is. So we've got all the goods here. Speaking of the goods, we've got the OG board. And today I had a few people send me some stickers. I'm going to share the first one. This is from Michelle.
Oh, nice.
Michelle's Griddles. She's
Michelle
sent me.
Blackstone.
Yeah, she's sent me a few. So let's do. Andy, I need some assistance.
I don't like this.
I don't have any tacks.
You don't have any tack?
Yeah, put that too.
You're tacky and I hate you.
Dude, that was a good one.
Okay, you see me after class.
If you guys would like to put some, if you guys would like to put something up on the OG board, hit me on Ed's.
Man, wow.
Can you hurry this up, please?
Hey, Andy, hold on to your butts.
Clever girl.
This is.
If you'd like to see something of yours put up on the OG board, hit me up on Instagram, and we'll get your stuff up on the OG board. If you know, you know, go to griddlenation.com. It is a party with Nate and CJ, apparently. But this is CJ's first cooking show.
Apparently.
Where we cook.
Quote.
Whoa.
Apparently don't ring a bell.
There it is. Oh, this is Chef Street. Come here, little chef. Come here, little chef. We got a little chef. He'll ring us out, right? You want to ring us out? You want to ring us out? Ring us out.
Jeez.
Oh, there it is. Shameless. One more.
For views.
You want? Yeah. What can I say?
See you, Charlie.
Tell him bye.
See you, Chappie.
Bye. Tell him Chappie.
See you, Chappie.
Bye. Oh, bye.
Gosh.